In this Dodo Internet review, I share my experience with this affordable Australian broadband provider. Check the description for links to their plans and offers. Dodo is known for its budget-friendly plans, perfect for basic internet needs. Their NBN plans offer various speeds, from 25 megabits per second up to 100 megabits per second, covering browsing, streaming, and even gaming. Dodo offers flexible plans, including no lock-in contracts, so you can change plans or leave penalty-free. Dodo's competitive pricing makes it appealing, especially for basic users or small households. While affordable, performance can vary based on location and network congestion, as Dodo is an NBN reseller. For those with stable NBN, Dodo can be a reliable choice. Customer support offers phone and online options, and a self-service portal helps with account management. Overall, Dodo is great for budget-conscious users needing reliable basic internet. It's ideal for light to moderate use, not for those wanting top speeds or advanced features. If you need affordable, straightforward internet, Dodo might be for you. Check the description for their current offers.